guys, and today I'm going to be recording a video with Ella. Say hello.
Hi.
Okay. And today
This is depressing.
And today I'm going to be making myself an MSP. So first of all, I need to make my lips. Because
very sad song.
Oh yeah, I have skinny lips. I was just checking. So
That hurts my ears. That is disgusting.
I have skinny lips. But I think I've already nailed the eyes because I have blue eyes. That's my color.
Most top.
Yeah, that's like, oh my gosh, I already have my lip. Okay, these are my lips in real life. What color are they? Okay, they're kind of dark. They're not red, like this red. Kind of dark.
This is a really sad.
My lips.
Oh my god.
I don't really like these lips, but I mean, these are my lips. I mean, it kind of is cute. Glow. They should have come up. I just wasted my money if it didn't come up. Okay, fine, you liked it. Right. What was that? What? Oh, I need to get this. Right, that's better. Let's see. I mean, I'm not gonna use this outfit I'm wearing right now because it's a really crazy outfit. What the hell? Whoa!
I was not expecting that in a sad song.
Yeah, that was just...
That was more of a very intense song.
And I don't have tattoos, so...
The introduction was the most saddest thing ever. Oh, that little thingy.
Alright, I'm just gonna find a top I have. I mean, a load of them are cropped. I do not have that top, which is sad.
Loneliness, that sounds like a good song.
True. I don't see a top I have here. I don't have any crop tops, really. I have this. One of these. Okay. I have that in black, though. It's in black. I do have a white top, but I have a grey top. What else do I have that's plain? I actually have a plain yellow top. So, I think I'm going to use the yellow top. That's kind of the colour. Yeah, I own that. Now for the shoes. I own a lot of shoes, but they're not high heels. Oh my god, I have these trainers in red or gold. I'm gonna go with red because that's the look. Yep. Alright, my hair. My hair right now. This is kind of my hair. I mean, this is not my hair actually. No, this isn't. Actually, it kind of is. That's your hair, Ella. I found your hair. It's on the first page of hair.
That is very depressing.
Okay, I'm just gonna. I really want to go on high.
Very depressing.
No.
The most depressing of the depressing of the. Sad songs for broken hearts. Is it me or is that not sad song?
Yeah, that's okay, this is actually kind of my hair. Is that my hair? Would you think,
Oh my God.
wait, Elle, would you think this is my hair, but in a different colour?
Maybe. Just a bit more tatty.
Yeah. Can do.
It's sad.
I just need the...
Oh!
I think I found my... No, that's just too big. No, that's way too big for my hair.
Look. Look at this sad thing. It says, you promised that you'd never leave. Where are you now?
Oh.
Look at that. Look.
I know, I've seen it. Oh, God.
Makes me want to scream and just...
I kind of think this is my hair. Oh, wait, no, I can't. Oh my gosh, I can just about afford it. I thought I had something. Do you think this is my hair? Do you think this is my hair? Because I have... Yeah, okay. I think the hair I'm wearing is kind of my hair, but it's not. Because I don't really have straight... Mine's kind of curly. Yeah. Straight but curly. Oh my gosh, I think I just found my perfect hair. You know the hair you really like? I think that might be my hair. Because you know I have like the side fringe here.
Yeah, I guess.
But not like with, oh my god. That really spoils it. I think this is the closest I can get to my hair right now. Now for the accessories. We wasted a lot of time on my hair. Now, oh yeah, we haven't wasted that much, but I mean, I don't know if I don't have earrings. I do have bag. I don't have a bag like that. No, I don't have a bag like that. Just seeing,
Aww.
I kind of have a cap like this. I mean, I have a jacket like that, but I wouldn't be able to afford it. As you can see, I'm broke. Jeez. I don't have chokers. I actually have these freckles. Oh my gosh, I have these freckles. I can't see them. Seriously, I have so many freckles. Oh, I need freckles. I'm not joking, I have freckles. A load of freckles. Now, where did that even go? I need to find those freckles for your face. Okay. I don't have a bow like that. That is really cute. I can't see next
that is
to me.
so cute.
I mean, oh my gosh, I have this bag in blue. But mine's shiny, but... How are we gonna make it to look shiny?
Aww, so sad.
Think about that though. But that doesn't go with my outfit, so I'm not gonna put it in my bag. Okay. Outfit, but yeah, this is me. I do have this, but yeah, it's not exactly like that. And I do have the white top. I just didn't like the yellow top.
Aww.
So I decided on that. Let's buy it. Oh my God. I don't have tattoos. I do not have tattoos, thank you. Hey, without the tattoos. I thought I just undid the tattoos. Wait, I'll be right back. Okay, so this is me in real life.
You're gonna die.
Let's just do an animation appropriate for this thing, so you can literally just see. Maybe if
That isn't sad.
that's me. Yep. Yep.
Oh.
So if you look up kind of close, or just look here, you can kind of see the blush I put on because I have rosy cheeks.
Oh my god, that looks like Morgan.
Who?
I'm not even joking. This Madison.
Okay, so guys, I think I'm gonna end the episode here. So don't forget to subscribe and like. So bye.